and today I'm going to record for you Improvers Solo Rumba routine number 1. Now I started teaching the online Improvers classes for the Ballroom Latin towards the end of 2021, December 2021, and I taught 3 classes. The 20th of December 21, the 24th of January 22 and the 28th of February 2022. I'm just recording this routine for you. We had a short routine at the end of each class, but classes 1 and 2 were a little bit more reviewing a lot of the beginner steps, but increasing the level of technique and the execution. So it wasn't really until the end of the class on the 28th of February 22 that I actually said this is the little routine that we're going to have as our practice solo rumba routine number 1 on our improvers level. So this is the full routine. It's still quite short, but there was new technique in there, and I'm going to turn around and face the front for you. Now, basic step on ladies timing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2 New Yorkers, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2 spot turns, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. 1 hand to hand, 2, 3, 4. Spiral to the left, 1. Okay, I'm going to walk out and close facing the front. So this was slightly adapted for the living room. We would normally have additional rotation if I was dancing with a partner in the ballroom, but again, lack of space. We were adapting for our space. Left, right, and then close. I'm then going to do a natural top on ladies or followers timing. I'm going to do back and forwards. Now in the class, I had people that were not used to doing the level of rotation in the natural top. So in the class, you will see that I said, do not worry about going around with the full number of turns. Widen your circle and walk it round so you get the idea of 3 bars walking round, but without the full level of rotation. So if you're looking in the class and you're wondering why, if you've seen it on YouTube or you've done this with a teacher in a normal class, then that is why, because it's quite difficult to get the level of rotation without going dizzy when you first move up from beginner to improver. So I wanted people just to get the idea. However, I'm going to demonstrate it with the full rotation. 2, 3, 4 is my preparation. I've got 3 bars. Left, right, left, right, left, right, and left, right, left. And there I am at the end of the natural top. Okay, I've got a right foot back basic and a left foot side basic. Okay? I'm then going to do 1 hip twist into a fan and an Alemana turn to finish. So replace my weight, hip twist to a fan, finish it off, and then I'm going to turn. Like I said, this is only a short review, so I'm not breaking every single detail down. I'm going to dance the whole thing through once without stopping. Here we go. Basic for 2. New Yorkers for 2. Spot turns for 2. 1 hand to hand to a spiral. Walk out and close. Natural top. And again, 1 back basic, 1 side basic. Hip twist to fan. Turn in at the end. And there we are. Guys, it was just a little short recap. If you're watching these on YouTube, do make sure you look through the playlist in order. My routines always work up in level of complexity throughout the playlist. And if you're watching in my paid video library, thank you so much for supporting me. Really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next